Kia ora everybody, 2 from Alien Weaponry here to answer this question: what does Te Rā mean? The name of our third and latest album. So during the promo for this album, the interviewers quite often pitched us a lot of different theories of what they thought Te Rā meant based off of usually a Google search, and Google being Google tended to point them in the wrong direction. So one of the theories was that Te Rā means a sail, which is technically true. There is a sail out there, a woven Māori sail named Te Rā, but it is not why we named the album Te Rā. Another version was it means the day, which is also technically correct. Te Rā does mean the day, but it's a very literal translation, and it is not exactly the translation we were going for with this album. So I thought I would bring up the album artwork here just to help me explain this. So in the middle of the album, there is a song called Tamanui Te Rā. And Tamanui Te Rā is the full name for the deity, the Māori deity that represents the sun. And I always thought that Tamanui Te Rā was such a striking figure in our stories growing up, and I thought he would make a really, really awesome album cover. But Tamanui Te Rā is quite long, you know, I'm not sure it necessarily makes a great album name. So one of his other names, a nickname, so to speak, is just Te Rā, which does technically mean the day because it means the sun, and we have the sun during the day. So that, you know, recalls back to that theory at the beginning there. But so that's what the album cover is as well, is it is a depiction of Tamanui Te Rā, the Māori deity that represents the sun, thus naming the album Te Rā. Hope that answers the question.